Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and level up in Deepstash. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Deepstash application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for Deepstash, find the application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page that you're greeted by, from where we can get started browsing all the books that are recommended to us, and we can get started browsing the ideas imposed by other people we follow. So let's go and take a look at how to level up. So leveling up in Deepstash is based on a gamified system designed to turn learning into a daily habit. So you can earn experience points and advance levels by engaging with bite-sized content, building stashes and maintaining streaks. And you can maintain streaks right here on the home page. As you can see, we have articles and books that are recommended to us that you can read every day, and at the top of the screen you're going to go and be able to continue reading. This is how to go ahead and continue your streak and get XP. As you can see, once you open up one of the articles, you can click the continue reading button. That's going to enable you to read today's article. That's going to give you a set amount of XP. It is going to put you on the leaderboard. From there you can go and take a look at how you compare to your friends, what level you are, and so on, all on your profile by right here at the bottom right corner by clicking on your profile picture and seeing what level you currently are and what your friends are. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.